So when you think about the Porsche brand, and this is your third one in, what would you tell people about the cost of ownership? You know, everybody, you know, they look at the bottom line when they're going down the screen looking at Porsche Finder or, you know, Auto Guru. But when you look at the overall total cost of ownership, what would you tell somebody that's thinking about getting into the brand?
Well, I would say that the cost of the vehicle is indicative of kind of what you are going to be looking like for maintenance. I feel like you got to be a very responsible and resourceful person to have cars like these, because, you know, if you get a flat tire, that is absolutely an expense. You can get that without even doing anything. A nail can, you know, happen. I don't believe in, at this point, the car's still new, but I take it to the dealership for everything, because I want to maintain my value. I want to be able to have resale value if I want to sell it. So for me, I would just tell anybody that, you know, you make sure that your pockets is right, because it is it's not for the faint of heart, and it is not cheap to own a Porsche. And that's just
no way. So you can't cheap into the brand, no kind of way.
No kind of way, in my opinion. If you're gonna do it, you do it.
Well, that's a perspective. You know, I've been in discussions with some people that, you know, you're having a whole debate about, I can buy new, but I want somebody else to take the hit, so I'll buy pre-owned, but then I'm looking at the warranty deal.
That's a misnomer to me. That's a misnomer to me, because whether you have a 1976 Porsche or a 2026 Porsche, the price of the parts and materials is going to be the same.
So you're going to shift it on the spectrum, whether you pay a lot for the new or pay a lot to maintain the older one.
Right, you're still going to have to pay for maintenance. And again, that, you know, like if you have an older car, then, you know, you have, just like a house, after having it for 10, 15 years, there's things that you just got to change for just regular maintenance and upkeep. And so I just think you have to just pick a side and just, you know, figure out which one works best for you.